Hastelloy C22 UNS N06022. Hastelloy C22, also known as alloy C22, is a versatile oxidative nickel chromium molybdenum junction alloy with enhanced resistance to pitting, grave corrosion, and stress corrosion cracking. The high chromium content provides a good resistance to oxidizing media, while the molybdenum and tungsten content give good resistance to reducing media. This nickel steel alloy also has excellent resistance to oxidizing aqueous media, including wet chlorine and mixtures containing nitric acid or oxidizing acid with the chloride ions. Chemical properties as per table. Physical properties as per table. And heat treatment as per table. Applications. Because of their high corrosion resistance, strength and durability, C22 grade Hastelloy bolts are commonly used in various applications including chemical reactors, distillation columns, scrubbers, heat exchangers, and piping systems. Thank you.